Oh, now it's recording. Let's head to Specialized PJ for the sale. I wonder how good this recording of yeah, not bad lah. Should be not really low light. Yeah, first time recording on the GoPro Hero 5 station. Almost at Specialized PJ. We're here for the sale. Hey. Susah nak cari parking. Oh, let's go. Specialized PJ for the sale. Ni kedai GoPro. On the way to fetch Adam from tuition.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Long 27/7.
Now Adam's back in the car. Let's go. Yes. We'll see how dark it is in here.
Nice good.
Yes.
Apa ni?
And the jamming bangsa starts. Oh boy. Go. See my man. Enter the camera. He's not interested. This way. Iya. Ini boleh buat cerita ni. Ha. Tak ada. How many people does it take to analyze a spotlight? Ah. Oh, AC USA pun ada. Tengok tu, Johan Mokhtar. Awesome. Thumbs up. Wih, itulah siapa ni? Let's go. Bye bye everyone.
No, as in most won't be around. Only me, Safu, Bakyo.
Bagus lah.
You agree, man? Orang ni sudah kurus.
Ken also actually.
No, look, something is.
No, my car is sucking out all my lunch.
Okay, I don't want to go home. Bye bye everybody.
Okay.
Muka ni dah sedih, muka sedih.
Dia bukan sedih sebab dia tak beli bicycle.
Janganlah basikal.
Tu roda kecil bagi you punya.
You akan sponsor untuk dia. Boleh.
Yang kat luar tu ada satu bicycle.
Tengok ada spring tu.
Bye bye. Ada anak yang ni boleh? Ada tengok yang ni pun berapa? Yang ni
Hello.
1,800. Oh, 2,000. Ada yang ni lah, okay. Okay, bye. Let's go. Come. Bye.